Well, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you my new toy. I wouldn't consider it an immaculate piece of worldwide economic history, but I would consider it I don't know, well, what would you consider it? Something of some sort of epic, uh, old technology that can be used for retro style purposes, such as ROMs and emulators and things. Well, anyways, it is Windows 7 Professional 64-bit SP1. I could have went with Windows 10, or I could have went with various other operating systems like Linux or something of its sort, or but I chose Windows 7 because it appeared to me to be the most compatible, because it originally, as you can see, it's a Core i3 and it shipped with Windows 7. So back in the day, it had Windows 7. So in 2025 of June 19th of 2025, and today is a Thursday, and it's going to have Windows 7 again. It's like taking the past. You take the past and then you bring it in to the future, and etc., 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 etc. Okay? So, it's a Intel Core i3, um, 370M at 2.40 gigahertz. And Anderdale, Andale, Arendelle, or however, Tattly Wally Dally Now Thalathan, Tattly Dally Nathalathan, I don't know, Nathaniel Anderson, or whatever, Nathalie Anderson, 32 nanometer technology, 4 gigabytes of dual channel DDR3 at 5032 megahertz. And it's a Toshiba. It's got generic PNP monitor at 366 by 768 at 60 hertz refresh rate. Intel graphics. Of course, we could click on C. Okay, we've got generic Intel graphics, 32-bit per pixel, HD revision number 3, and I'd have to actually look up the specs to see how many. It's probably maybe 256 meg, maybe 512 meg of graphics memory. I wouldn't say it's a gig. It's probably not a gig. It's probably 512 megs, maybe 120. I'm not really sure. But at any rate, you know, it's a demon in a sense. If you want to conquer the abstract and blow the spectrum, But it's a nice monstrosity. It'll do whatever I want it to. You can browse the internet with Firefox or old versions of Firefox that are still compatible with Windows 7. Edge won't run because it's not compatible. Old version of Google Chrome will probably run just fine, or you can use Duck Browser or whatever you want. So, webcam, webcam works. Trackpad works. It's got a few ports, as you can see. It's got an HDMI port, a VGA port. Yeah, it's got USB ports. It's got 2 more USB ports around here. USB ports around there, and a DVD ROM drive. A DVD ROM drive. How about that? Nobody uses DVDs anymore, but hey, if you want to watch an old movie on a computer, well, it's got you covered. You can watch an old movie. Let me pull up these ports better so you can see. So it's got HDMI and wow, that HDMI port's awfully dirty, huh? Oh well, maybe I'll give it a quick sponge bath with the rag and alcohol or something. Any rate, fun underneath the sun. The sun will set and the sun will rise. Another day will pass and we'll say our goodbyes. But as the sun goes down, we begin to tantalize and visualize everything of our surprise. Each day that breaks is a new dawn. Every dawn that goes away is a new wrong. Every song we sing is a new song. Every day we sing a song, it's all day long. Till tomorrow, forever, forever, no sorrow. Well, joy and joy is what we go. We're happy and we're peaceful, and the world begins to turn, and everything we turn we learn as the sun will burn around the Milky Way galaxy. The galaxies fade, the stars will cascade in a marmalade. As the vision goes dim and your day goes by, a pine box underneath the ground is where you are survived. And when you lay down your final breath, as you take your peak to its under left, the cycle continues around and round. You're re-energized in the sight of sound. And when you come to the light you see, you choose 1, 2, 3, and then you will be a new life. You will beckon and you will call. Around and round the merry-go-round it goes. And when the lives turn into lies and the visions darken and you are blind, you find the reason behind the curtain as life goes around and around in a burden. But as you turn, you begin to learn, and the world will fade in another cascade. And as the world goes back around, here you are again coming up from the ground.